What's up, hello guys, I'm Carla and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to have really nice glowy even skin. This is for low coverage. This is kind of spring-like. I don't know, this is what makeup I would wear in the spring. And yes, I know we're in the beginning of February. I think I'm posting this actually the 1st, but you know, I feel like people start posting fall videos in October, so why can't I start posting spring videos in February, like, you know. But yes, I am teaching you today how to do really a simple makeup look. Well, I'm not teaching you the eyes nor the lips, I'm just teaching you face makeup, because I feel like this is for people who have freckles and they don't want to cover them up, or you have acne and you are confident with your acne and you don't need to cover it up because everyone's fine with whatever. Honestly, sometimes I don't wear face makeup, I just do my eyes because I really enjoy doing eyeshadow and then put on some highlighter and lipstick, and I'm happy with that. But as you can tell, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but in real life you can see my acne right here. You can see, you know, you can see my skin, but I feel like that's okay and people should normalize it. And I feel like I wear makeup because I enjoy putting it on and I enjoy just walking by a mirror and being like, oh my god, my highlighter's popping. So this is kind of for the people who have good skin and you just don't want to put foundation on your face. And honestly, if you have good skin, please, I'm begging you, do not wear foundation. Just don't. Just wear some primer, maybe tinted moisturizer, and you're Gucci. Also, I feel like if you have bad skin, you also shouldn't be forced to wear foundation or any sort of makeup. I feel like makeup is, I don't know, optional, I guess. So I'm rambling on, but basically this makeup tutorial is very natural. And yes, I know the eyes and the lipstick's not very natural, but without the craziness of my eyes and lips, it looks natural. But yeah, basically spring makeup. And yeah, I hope you guys liked the video and see you in my next one. Bye! Hi guys! Okay, so I already have my eyebrows done. I don't really like them today. I used something new and it's not a bop. But anyways, so I'm first gonna start with primer, and my two go-tos have been the NYX Honeydew Me Up and the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. I really like both of these. It's winter time and I really like using something hydrating even if I live in Hawaii. You know, it's like, I don't know, it's cold. Anyways, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer, and I put in about that much. Okay, so I'm gonna do a whole eye look right now because I do like doing my eye makeup first and then my face makeup. So I'm gonna go and do something with my eyes and I'll be right back. Okay, so my eyes are already all done. I don't know if I like them or not, but you know, whatever. I am not wearing eyelashes, like fake eyelashes today, because I'm just not in the mood. And I'm gonna be doing like stuff today, so I can't like, you know, just be wearing fake eyelashes because I'm gonna be like moving around and stuff. But anyway, so now I'm gonna get to foundation, and I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation. This is my go-to, and right now it's at its last straws because like I already bought a new one. But yeah, this is really old. Well, not old, I got it like 6 months ago. And then I'm gonna be mixing it with the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator, and I really enjoy this. Let me see what shade this is. It's in the shade Sunbeam. But I'm gonna mix these two together. I really enjoy how this foundation, oh, my hand's full of eyeshadow. Here's some ASMR for you guys. There you go. There's your daily ASMR for you. Okay, anyways. I mix about, I don't know, a little bit of beach. And I'm just gonna dot this all over mi cara. Okay, so I've been thinking about doing a video in Spanish because everyone in my family has been asking me to, and I just don't know if it would get views. Well, I mean, okay, I don't care about the views, but I do, because the reason why you post anything online is because, you know, you want your friends and family to view it, and you want generally other people to see what you're posting. But anyways, so I don't know if it would, like, anyone would watch it. That's more what I'm asking. So I would put subtitles on it, so even if you don't know Spanish, or if you're taking Spanish, like, you know, and your teacher makes you watch like something in Spanish, like, you can say, oh, I watched this girl's YouTube channel, or I don't know. But yeah, I don't know if I should post it. I haven't even made it, but I don't know if I should make it. That's more what I should say. Ooh, maybe, just maybe, I'll do a video in French. So this is how the foundation looks like with my exposure lowered, just so you can really see everything. As you can tell, it's very luminous. It does have low to medium coverage, but I really like that because honestly, I don't think my skin is that bad. Okay, I'm gonna be taking the NYX HD Studio Concealer. This is in the shade CW02. I don't know what that means. Okay, so I'm gonna just let my concealer kind of dry a little bit, just so it has more pigment, and I'm gonna be taking this highlighting stick that it's called What's Up by Benefit, and I really enjoy this. I'm just gonna put a little bit, you know, just there. I feel like I've tried many foundation brushes, but I feel like, I don't know, I prefer using a beauty blender. I just feel like it really gets underneath my under eyes, and it gives my skin a nice sheen to it, I guess. Like, it's not so full coverage, it's not so cakey. Just nice and good. Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking this brush right here. It's kind of an oval brush. It looks like this. And I'm gonna be taking the Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 10 Fair Light. And I'm gonna be placing this underneath my eyes. Honestly, I feel like I need new highlighters because I keep using the same ones. But I'm going to be taking the Nicole Guerrero highlighting palette with Anastasia. And I'm going to be taking this color, which is called Glow Getter. You guys know I use that color all the time. And I'm going to be taking my Anastasia A23 brush. And yeah, I'm actually been into not putting much highlighter on my cheekbones. I do like putting it everywhere else, but just on my cheekbones I've been, I don't know, liking more of a cream highlighter kind of look. I barely have any on my brush. I'm just blending it in. Okay, so now that I've set the highlighter in place, I'm going to be taking, again, the same Fit Me powder, but I'm going to be taking this Real Techniques powder brush, and I'm just going to be setting my whole face. Now I'm going to apply bronzer, and I'm going to be using the Hoola Benefit bronzer. I got this such a long time ago. There's such a big dent in the middle, but I really like this. I feel like it just gives like a nice warmth to my face. I guess because everyone here in Hawaii does their makeup really natural, it's been rubbing off on me a little bit, which I don't know, I'm glad it is because I do need to step it down a little bit. But at the same time, I don't know, I love being my extra self and, you know, wearing really extra makeup all the time. So now I'm going to be taking the Coty Airspun powder, and I do like using this for baking. So now I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. contouring palette with this Morphe fan brush, if I could open this, the Morphe E33. And I'm going to be mixing these two colors. And I'm just going to be placing this right on top of the bronzer and the bake. Now I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. blush palette. I love these little e.l.f. palettes. And I'm going to be taking this color right here. This is my favorite color. With this Real Techniques blush brush. Now I'm going to be wiping away my bake with, again, the Real Techniques powder brush. Now I'm going to finish my under lash line, and then I'm going to come back to put some setting spray on my face and finish this whole look off. Okay, so here is my eyes done, and I put on some lipstick. If you're wondering, the lipstick that I used is the Huda Beauty lipstick in Trendsetter, I think. Yep, I really like this color. I feel like, I don't know, it matches with the eye look. Anyway, so now I'm going to be setting my face with the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. I really want to get the lavender one because I love the scent of lavender. It's my favorite scent, so yeah. I think this is the most true like real life lighting that I've gotten on camera in a really long time. So me looking at the mirror really represents exactly how this looks like in camera and in real life. This is how the skin looks like. It's very glowy, and I feel like if you have freckles or if you have acne and you don't want to cover it up, or you don't want to just hide it and wear a lot of cakey makeup, I think this is a really good foundation routine, and I really would recommend the L'Oreal Pro Glow Foundation. Now, let me go fix my hair and say goodbye, I guess. Now I feel like this could be a very fall look, but also spring, I don't know. I think if you change the lipstick and you do like a pink lipstick or something like that, it would be more spring. Anyways, I hope you guys liked the video, and I hope that this was kind of helpful. This is what I've been doing basically every day for school, or just in general for my face makeup, and I feel like, I don't know, it looks very glowy and natural and perfect for spring because it is very hydrating, but I feel like it will also last you a really long time. If you're not subscribed to my channel, then click that red button down below. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers because YouTube is demonetizing my channel. Even though I have enough watch time, I don't have 1,000 subscribers, so I am losing monetization privileges in my channel. And not only am I not gaining money, but when you get the privilege of monetizing your videos, you also get end screen cards in your videos, which I'm not going to be able to put on my videos anymore, and many things that come with the AdSense program thing. So I'm basically losing everything, so please subscribe down below. I make videos every Sundays, and please give this video a big thumbs up because again, it helps so much. And yeah, I hope you guys liked the video, and see you in my next one. Bye!